Hello. Yeah, how can I help you? My name is Samsur Ziar. I'm from Afghanistan. I came here as a SIV, Special Immigrants Visa. My dad used to work with American organization. So you want to translate it or it's already translated? You want to change it to English? So for that we have a translation coordinator that she's working from home today. I'm going to the IIA to my work till 4:30 or 5 o'clock. Then I'm coming to college. International Institute of Akron, how can I help you?
Um, can I get Nepali interpreter?
Italian interpreter?
Nepali?
Nepali? Oh, yeah. Let me transfer you to someone who can speak in Nepali. I saw much of Turkish series in Afghanistan with the uh, Persian meaning, like they translated to Persian. That made me interested if that was a great opportunity that I can work with in media to translate some stuff from one language to another language. I was interested in math in Afghanistan also. I get some advice from some of my friends in here that they are masters and they have their PhDs. They mentioned that I can study business administration and take my major on accounting. My degree will transfer from here to Kent State University after 2 years. When I get done with Stark State, I will do the accounting. When I was 1 year old, we came from our village to the capital of Afghanistan. In that time, the capital was the only place that, because of the war that happened in our country, so the capital was the only place that had the education ability for everyone. So my family moved from our village to the capital of the country, to Kabul. We are not allowed to have computers in our classes in Afghanistan. But when I get to this classes, it was completely new thing for me, like with the new people and all together, and they're using computers, and every lecture and everything is coming from computers. So it was a new experience for me in my life. Most of the days I'm getting done with the college around 8:45 or 8:15 or 8:30. After that I'm going to home, and then till 12 o'clock, that the time that I have till I get sleep. Till that time I'm doing my homework. So the most worry that I have is finishing it a little bit late than the time that I was imagined when I started Turkish literature. I studied 2 years over there, then I studied it from the beginning. So that 2 years that I studied college over there, it just, I did nothing, I just started. So that's a little bit harmful for me. We had a simple life over there, not much cars or like not that much work. In here, it's good. Like I have job, my own car, my college and going, coming. But still, like life of having friends or different from here in Kabul, because I had a bunch of friends over there. Education is important thing in our life. With education, we can do our love job that we want. We can be successful. Like education is something like if we didn't work on it, or if we just leave it after a certain time when we get our degrees, we will know something. We will know that how to manage our life.